Stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? to the park, laugh away the blues. People will stare, asking have they lost their minds. And when it gets dark, we'll play our favorite tune. Heart and soul dance under the moon. When my dreams get so hazy and skies become gray, you'll be the one to guide me home. For miles and miles, been sailing through the sea to find you here, standing next to me. So, my love, be my everything. Heart of gold, stay here for a while. When your life gets so crazy, you lose your way. I'll be the one to guide you home.
My name is Gisacho Matthew. I come from Busega community. We have a lot of youth. Some of them are unemployed. I'm a student of motion graphics, and I want to become one of the best motion animators in Uganda. Not having internet access on the computer has affected me in very many ways, including I have to wake up very, very early to come to school in order to find space to complete up with my project. The strong reason as to why I need a personal computer is because I believe motion graphics is a very wide course. It needs more practice. I'll be able to practice everything that I've studied. And after my graduation, I really believe that I'll be able to be a good freelancer from wherever I am.
Watch as it breaks down beside us. When we've risked everything for love. On the outside, always looking in, we'll still hold on to all we could have been, to all we could have been. Would you still take me for a fool if I let give it all away for you? So take me home. Take me home. It's colder than it's ever been before. Those photographs that once took pride of place stand no more. How long till we try and make things last? Till we fall? Would you still take